have you, Mr. Paul Midi, as we discuss Jumia Global Travel's service delivery, particularly in Nigeria. Pleased to have you.
Yes, thanks for your invitation. I'm very happy to be here today with you.
Okay. Now, first, can you tell us how you assess Nigeria's e-commerce market at the moment?
I think e-commerce is booming in Nigeria. Why? Because more and more people have access to the internet and to internet through mobile. If I look at Jumia Travel, for example, 2 to 3 years ago, less than 20% of our visits were on the website were through mobile. Today, it's more than 50%. So we have seen a real boom in e-commerce in Nigeria, but the best is to come. If you look at Jumia Travel, so we are a hotel booking website. So if you look at the hospitality industry, in Nigeria, less than 5% of the night every day in hotels are booked online. If you look at Europe and US, it's more than 50%. So between the 5% and the 50%, there is still a huge potential, huge opportunity for e-commerce in this travel market, but it's the same for most of the travel. And if you think at the economic situation in Nigeria today, which is difficult, people they are looking even more for deals, for good price. And e-commerce is really a driver for people to get good prices. Okay? On Jumia Travel, despite the inflation of more than 15%, on Jumia Travel, the prices in Naira were stable. And more than this, we increased the number of discounts, so the price reduced on Jumia Travel.
Now, can you tell us how further investment in broadband can improve the service of delivery of brands like Jumia Travels in Nigeria?
So broadband is of course important for more people to have access to the internet, but also with a better quality. Specifically, Jumia Travel. When you book a hotel, what you want to look at is the picture of the hotel. To see the hotel, how is it to compare all the hotels. And to be able to see a lot of pictures about the hotel, to compare a lot of hotels, you need to be able to download a lot of pictures. So of course, 5 years ago with the technology and the bandwidth of internet bandwidth, it was not sufficient to be able to do this with a sufficient level of quality. Today, it's possible. So our customer, either they go through the app and see the picture on their phone, or they go to their computer and see bigger picture, but also they have a better broadband to make it happen. Obviously, I would say the economic situation in the past months negatively impacted us. Okay, of course, if people have less money, they have less money to travel. And as you know, in June, the price at the gas station doubled. So of course, people traveling with their car, but it's more expensive for them. Okay, but despite this, we still have a strong performance for 2 reasons. First one is, people that are coming from abroad and traveling to Nigeria. Thanks to the fact that Naira is at a lower price, for them it's cheaper. So they tend to go more to Nigeria. At the same time, people in Nigeria that were traveling abroad, it's more expensive for them. So they tend to travel more domestically in Nigeria, which have a positive impact on Nigeria. Okay? And at the same time, we keep a strong performance. Why? Because the potential for us in our activity is between the 5% of nights that are booked online and the 50% that are booked online in Europe. Okay? So even if the market can be sometimes smaller, economies under recession, we still have a gigantic opportunity as an online business in this travel industry.
There's a lot of competition here in the Nigerian market. How has that impacted Jumia Travel's business?
Our customer, when they try Jumia Travel, they are very happy. 80% strongly recommend Jumia Travel, and specifically if you compare versus travel agent. Why? Because travel agents, they have a different business model. They have a small set of hotels where we have all the hotels in Nigeria, 8,000, and they have, much more expensive price. Why? Because they have an expensive model, and on top of the hotel price, they put a markup, which makes their price expensive. Versus our model, where we unite millions of customers to be able to negotiate best price with our hotels. Okay, so I would say progressively people are shifting from offline behavior, going to travel agent, to online behavior on Jumia Travel with great prices. Okay, so those are the main source of competition. After, if we look at some other players that exist online, somehow we consider them as partners. Why? Because they serve the same purpose as us, which is pushing more people towards online booking rather than offline behavior.
Now, Nigeria is officially in a recession. How is Jumia Travels dealing with this?
The first thing that was very important for us is to make sure that we, provide the ability to our customer to travel. Our main purpose is to democratize travel. So we want to break the barrier that prevents people from traveling. It's about knowledge, knowing where are the hotel, etc. And then on this we provide all the information on our website for free. Second barrier is price, making sure that travel is affordable. And we every day negotiate kobo price. And the third barrier is risk. You can arrive at the hotel forgot about your booking, or maybe you have difficulty to reach the hotel. With Jumia Travel, there is always someone to help you. You can always call us at day or night, and we will solve your problem. Okay? It's our aspiration to democratize travel. So even in such an economic situation, recession, very high inflation, we want to make sure we provide the ability to our customers to travel. So it means two things. The first one is we have worked very hard to make sure that the price of our hotel, they reduce. They don't increase with inflation, they reduce. Okay? So relatively, and same in absolute terms, it's less expensive to travel now on Jumia Travel than 6 months ago. And we have made this happen thanks to the good relationship and also, I think, the sense of patriotism of our hotel manager. The second thing is we are still making sure that we have hotels that are very, very cheap price. And for example, we have hotels from $4. From $4 a night, it's not 40, it's $4 a night. We have several hotels, many hotels in Lagos available for this price. So to make sure that in all our portfolio of hotels, you have of course 4 and 5 stars, but you will see also have a very affordable kobo price hotel available for our customer in Nigeria.
All right. Now, you have competition, and also the concerns are, do you have plans? Because we know that you have for the city. Do you have plans for those in the remote and rural areas who also want to be involved in the travel business?
Yes, of course. We have a coverage of hotel 8,000 in Nigeria that covers all the region, all the city. So of course we also want to make sure that customers in remote area, they are aware about this. So of course with internet, it's easy to have access to us, providing you have internet and you know how to use it. For people that are more in remote area, less tech savvy, or have more difficult access to internet, we are rolling out what we call the J-Force. J-Force, it's 30,000 sales agents that are today working for Jumia, selling Jumia products to their communities, their village, people in the church, etc. And from a few weeks now, they are able to sell the product on Jumia Travel. So through those sales agents that are everywhere in the country, even in a very remote area, you can have access, and we can showcase our services towards a new customer.
Interesting. So what should we expect from Jumia Travels, let's say in the next 5 to 10 years in Nigeria and the other markets?
In 5 to 10 years, it's a long way. I would say prospects are very positive for the country itself in Nigeria. So I would expect a bigger market, more people traveling, much more people traveling in Nigeria. I hope also a quality of hotel that will have improved, and for us, an even better services, but also much more people knowing about Jumia Travel, going to travel.jumia.com or using our application. I think we can really transform this travel market and travel industry in Nigeria through the internet and develop our hotel businesses.